Alright guys, what's up guy? If you try to create a new store and after you publish all your new store and all your dropshipping, maybe digital products or a dropshipping product, and you want to change your primary mode of payment method and your general market, so what you do is just to come to these settings here. Let me quickly show you how you can get that done within few minutes. Just click on your settings here. Once you click on your settings, you will see where we have markets here. Click on markets. This is very much important if you want to change your markets from your primary markets to international markets. You can also add new markets. Maybe you have a specific targeted country. All right, you can come to add new markets here. Do you understand? Now, my primary market is in Nigeria simply because what? Simply because I created this store in Nigeria. That's why you are seeing this as primary. And I'm not, this digital product I created on Shopify is not only for Nigeria, it's nationwide. So how do you change your market? So you can add a new market here by clicking on add market here. So once you click on add market, then you want to name it. They said name your market so you can differentiate it from others. Let me say new market here, new market here, right? So once you just name it, then you want to select the country that you want to target. Now under Africa, we have over 62 countries in Africa. So you can select, maybe you want to target Angola, you can select Angola, right? Then you want to click on add what? You want to click on add market. Well, we'll see where we have this hard markets here. You want to select add market, then you want to select maybe different countries that you want to target. We also have this is for Africa here. We also have Asia. If you want to target Asia, we have different countries under Asia as well. You can see them, so you can also target Asia. If you want to target Europe, you can target Europe. We have some international market like Belgium, like Australia and US and UK. Then we also have North America, right? So you can target all these markets. So once you are done, then you want to click on add market. I only selected one. Do you understand? Just for this tutorial, I selected one, and that's not even where I'm going. I'm just showing you. So you can see now that your market has been added. So the next thing is to click on your shipping. Once you click on your shipping, then you want to go and configure it. You know, we selected this, so you want to go to your shipping. Under shipping, you can either click on this shipping here to configure it. But guys, this is not where I'm going today. It's very simple. Just from here, you can just create it here. Do you understand? So you want to click okay, let me see under where we have what's it called, shipping rates. Where is it? Let me see. Let me see. Yeah, so you can just create a new custom profile for your shipping here. But like I've said, now that's not where we are going before this time. So I just wanted to change. So what I will do here under this shipping is that, let me just delete this. You can also change it, because before you can configure it, you need to change it from active to from inactive to active. But you need to do the configuration first, then come back to change it to active. If you don't know how to do that, you can definitely reach out to me. That's never a problem. So now I'm just going to remove this I'm just going to remove this market because I don't need it. I only wanted to show you that, okay, you can add new markets from different countries. So back to this market, what I'm just going to do here is this international market. I'm going to stick around with it. You can see here, this is active, right? We have this active and we have the international inactive. That is to tell you only people from Nigeria can buy from your store. International people cannot buy from your store, and in which these international countries is up to 208, which is awesome, and their regions. So what you want to do to change your market from your primary market, just click on this international. We are going to be changing this international to our primary market. So from inactive, now you click on here, then you click on active, because we want this store to be active. So it has been active now, and you want to click on more option here. You want to click on, you can, if you want to edit any market there, you can click on edit. So if I'm to go back to our primary, okay, let me save it first. After I save it, I can now go back to do what I'm doing. So you can see now the market has been activated. So if I'm to say I want to go back now, you will see now that we have two of it being active. You can also add another market here to make it 3/3. So now let's go back to our store. Let's go back to our Shopify products. Let's click on our product now to go and test run it, so if people can buy it or not. So what I'll just do here is to click on this link. This is my gadgets, my gadget contact. Okay, I'm into gadgets. I help people to buy phone both from China, USA, and Nigeria. So these are the list of my verified gadgets supplier where I buy from. So if you're interested in starting gadget training, I have the complete course, and you can also buy this course as well. So you can also learn. This is their direct contact. You can speak with them. They are verified. So I'm just going to click on preview. Let's go and preview what we've done now. If we can